Hello everyone, welcome to all in this channel. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of construction of a cycloid using AutoCAD. Let's start this process. Before we will see the constructed cycloid. This is of 25 mm of radius and 50 mm of diameter. When you see in the question of one complete revolution, you can understand that the question is for cycloid. And initially we need to draw the circle of 50 diameter or 25 mm of radius. You need to see the question. It is mentioned as radius or diameter. In this it is showing the diameter, so that take the circle command, place anywhere where you want 25 mm, so that you get a 25 mm of 25 mm radius of a circle. Radius 25 mm, diameter 50 mm. You can check. When you double click on the circle, you can check the properties. Then divide the circle of into 8 parts. For that, use div command. Select the circle, then 8. You get that point. You will get the points of 8. Now draw a line. You need to draw a line of. There is a formula for drawing this line. Go to calculator in this AutoCAD. See here 2 into pi into 25. The formula is 2 pi r. 2 into pi into 2 into pi into the radius of the circle, that is 25. The answer is 5157.07, 157.07. Now draw the line of 157.07 from the topmost or downmost. You can start from here or here. Let's start from here, 157.07. Enter, then 50, then again touch this. Now connect the lines from this part perpendicular. Double click on space or enter, so that you will get the line command again. Now again divide this the bottom line into 8 parts. Div command. Select this one and 8 parts. Then draw a line here and draw a line even here. Now check this measurement. It is of 19.63. Then click on offset. 19.63. Enter, select the object. Multiple you click. Then you will get these points. Click on escape. Check that it is exactly marked on the point, or else you can even copy this one and paste. Control C, Control V. Click on move. There are 3 methods of drawing: offset method, copy paste method, and manually drawing here to here. Manually you can, any 3 methods you can follow, which one is easy for you. Then constructing this cycloid, this shape, this curve, first you need to draw the circle. You need to draw the circle like this from the top to bottom. This will be the radius for all. You can copy this one and paste. Like this, you can place this all circles in the correct position. This last one. Now connect the points from the circles. You need to connect the points of P1, P2, P3. In this, you can see here from P1, P2, P3, the points are connected. First, we need to draw the points. Go to draw multiple points. These points we need to take like the first circle, the first line, 1 point. The second circle, the second line, another point. Third circle, third line, another point. Fourth circle and the top line, another point. Again the fifth circle and from top the second line, draw the another point. And this sixth circle, third line, another point. This seventh circle and the last and second line means fourth line, another point. And this last circle and this bottom line, another point. You can take out this, delete this circles. You can delete all these circles. These points you need to join. You can use spline or 3 point arc. There are two ways. Spline will be here and 3 point arc will be here. Any of these two methods you can draw. If 3 point arc means start from here, again space, again this command will be activated like this, again space. Make sure that it is coming on the right way, means it is joining correctly. For another method is pi line. Like this you can draw directly, you can draw these lines like this, you can draw and click on enter, that then it will come. Both ways are correct ways. Select all these arcs, 3 point arcs, select all this and highlight them. In this properties, second one, instead of default keep 0.5. For this coming of this thickness, you need to go to this bilayer option. If we off this one, the thickness we cannot see. If you on only, you can see this thickness. And namings you can give. For this circle, 8 parts you can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up till 7. 8 also you can give, or else from here P1, P2, P3 like this you can give this. Go to text. From here you can give 1. Take out this or snap so that you can get correctly. text 5, height 5, and angle of rotation 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, P, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, and finally P8. And you can, I'm copying this remaining parts. In the same way, you can even write. Or you can even move this one. Take out the ortho mode and move this one. This is our cycloid. You can arrange this all text in the correct way. This is our cycloid. I think you understood how to draw a cycloid. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Thank you.